It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Hi, I'm Jordan Frazier here with Jared from Empire Garage Doors and Gates to help us learn when it's time to repair or replace your garage door. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having us.
Garage doors have so many moving pieces and moving parts that can fail over time. What would I see as a homeowner as a common issue?
All you have to do is pay attention to your garage door. If you see something that looks off, cracked, broken, that's one thing. But also garage doors put off audible sounds that draw your attention. Squeaking, rubbing, all those different sounds can draw your attention. So at that point, if you can't see a problem or if you hear the problem, call a professional. You can call us.
Call a professional, of course, because there's so many parts and it can be dangerous moving those springs and things around. When I say look at my garage door, I might see a crack, but is it like home improvements across the board? I want to catch these problems early.
You want to definitely try, but most of the time, people don't draw attention to it unless it doesn't work.
Yeah.
So as soon as it doesn't work, then they start paying attention. So at that point, inspect your garage door, see if you see anything. Most of the time, call us or call a professional and we can troubleshoot over the phone with you, give you some advice, and possibly set up an appointment to come out and take care of the problem.
I love that because helping someone over the phone, it might just be a very, very simple solution. Something is blocking your sensor across the way.
Absolutely. Very
and it
common.
can be a really easy thing to fix, and that way everyone's saving a bunch of time, and we want to make sure things are easy for homeowners out there, so I love that that's part of your mission as well. What are some of the components in the garage door system that are common to failure or would need regular maintenance?
There's two really big failures. One is the spring system, which is the counterbalance that allows the motor to open and close the door. Those traditionally can break. They're rated for 10,000 cycles, and everyone uses their garage door as their front door.
Multiple times a day.
So that door goes up and down all day long. And then the other common scenario is someone puts something underneath the garage door. So the garage door closes on an obstacle, closes on their car, and what happens is it throws the spring system off, and your door is now crooked, and you're sort of stuck. It's jammed in place, and you definitely need a professional to come out and fix that.
I love that because those are just different pieces that Empire can help you take care of. So whether you need to replace part of your garage system or replace the entire thing, Empire Garage Doors and Gates is just one call away. Call them at 619-354-1480. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in the network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.